This is a 2007 Chevrolet Silverado 2500. Features include dual power seats, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a CD player, a driver airbag, a pass-through rear seat, full power accessories, a sliding rear window, dual cargo area lights, and chrome wheels. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.